Welcome back once again. In this part we will design our registration activity. So for doing this, first we need to create a new activity. So we can create a new activity. So go to this activity gallery and select empty activity, and we can call it registration activity and finish. So open this activity registration XML and we can copy all this data from our activity main because we need same design for our registration. So before doing this, first we need to change this constant layout. We can call it linear layout and add orientation vertical and add gravity center, and background is going to be back design. Now go to this activity main, and before this we need to add a scroll view. Maybe in our previous part we did not add a scroll view. So for doing this, first we need to create a scroll view, white mask parent and height wrap content, and inside this scroll view we need to add a linear layout, white mask parent and height wrap content, and add orientation vertical. And now cut all this field and paste inside our linear layout. Now all done. Now we can simply copy this scroll view. So if we minimize this one and now copy this scroll view and go to this activity registration and paste it here. Now we need to change this text login to registration. We can call it registration and change this edit text, and it's going to be, you can call it email registration. Is going to be reg. Just change this ID name for registration at registration. So password registration, and for button you can call it btn registration. And we can change this, we need to change this text view, so we can call it already have account. If user have account, then they don't need to create a new account, they can directly log in. So when they will click inside this text view, then they will redirect to login activity. And change this ID name, we can call it sign in text. So our registration activity is complete. So we successfully design our activity main, that is our login activity, and our activity registration, that is our registration activity.